Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you all doing great. Welcome to my kitchen again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do fruit burger. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna start. 1 mango, 2 apples, and 1 banana. Okay, first what we do is we're gonna put all the fruits in the colander and wash it first. Okay, always wash it. It's very recommended to wash. Okay, so once you wash it, bring over here on the chopping board. Let's start with the mango. Turn it. That's it.
The other side.
That's good. Okay, let's put it on the side. It's time to cut the apple. It's 3 pieces. The apple again. And then make sure you take off the seeds inside. Okay, you just put it inside here, and make sure if you use a knife and you're young, you should get adult to supervise you. Okay. First, you get 1 piece of mango. Okay, and we put in 1 piece of apple, and the other side apple. Couple of bananas. Okay, you're gonna build a nice burger. Okay, put another piece of apple. Okay, just cover the sides. Put a couple of bananas. I'm going to do double burger. You can do single or triple if you want. Oops, this is falling. Okay, and now we put the other side, other mango. Okay, and you put a stew in the middle. Okay. And this is how it should look like. Fruit burger. Okay, this is my fruit burger, and it's time to enjoy it. And it is healthy, 100%. No more burger for meat and all sort of stuff. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and give a big thumbs up, and you know where the subscribe button is. Is it on the left or right? You decided.